Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to remap any button on your PlayStation 5 controller. So let's go ahead and jump the video right now. So did you want to go ahead and change X and O and flop those two buttons around, or maybe even completely swap the joysticks around? Well, this could be done through the accessibility options on the PlayStation 5. So if we're on the home screen right now, and we go up to the top and go to settings, and then go to accessibilities, the second option down, then go down to controllers, and then go to the right to custom button assignments. Change controller button assignments. This doesn't work with some controllers. So once we go in here, we can enable custom button assignments right on the top, and you should see your controller. Now, on the bottom here, it says switch the left and right analog sticks around. So you can change the right one to the left one, and maybe have the left one be your movement, etc., or you're looking around, whatever you want to do. Then we can go to the custom button assignments right here, and we can see our controller's buttons. So right now I have the square button remapped to triangle, and then I have the triangle button remapped to square. So I have those flopped around. But if I want to go ahead and change R1 to maybe like R2, I could do that. And then change L1 to L2 like that. So the top buttons would be to fire weapons in first-person shooters. Or maybe I want to go ahead and do that in a racing game, etc. Well, it's a little bit easier to touch that and just have it pressed in versus pressing in the entire R2 button. So people may want to go ahead and put it on for that reason. But you can go ahead and look through here and customize any of the buttons you want. Then back out of here and go to your game. Now, when you're in the game, you can get to the accessibility options by pressing the PlayStation button. You may see it on your quick menu right here. But if you don't, you can press options and then go to the hidden controls and move it from the bottom up to the top, just like this. Now, in the future, I'm thinking you should be able to just tap this and see your custom button assignments in here and just click it on just like that and see it. But it's not in here yet. What you can do is just go to accessibility settings right here, and then go to controllers and go to custom button assignments and just get to it a little bit quicker instead of going to the home screen. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, go and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.